హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. ద స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్ ఈజ్ బిల్డ్ ఆన్ టూ పార్ట్స్. ఫస్ట్ one is a substantive structure and the one is a syntactic structure. The substantive structure constitutes the basic knowledge of science. The developing of science is dynamic, whereas the structure of science is continuously changes. It includes definitions, knowledge statements, direct observation statements, theory statements, principles, generalizations, laws and theories, etc. We can also call the substantive structure as key concepts, major concepts, and representative ideas. The substantive structure is classified into two types. The first one is empirical knowledge, and the second one is theoretical knowledge. Empirical knowledge: the information is acquired through observation and it is being verified, and it is known as the first level of knowledge. At this level, the scientists collect the observation data and make statements as well as perceive facts. It is divided into three categories. Direct observation statements: these are made by our senses directly. It depends upon one's selective observation, whereas it depends upon influence by one's culture, language system, and theoretical inclinations. Example: perception of our senses: spicy, hot, cold, hard. Instrumental observation statements: these statements are made by observations with the aid of instruments. Modern science is a science of instrumental observations. Example: the sun has black spots. There is a chance to live on Mars. A fact is a statement of an actual event or physical object. It is defined as something that is known to exist or happen, whereas the existence of happening of which is supported through the same source. Fact has been arrived through the use of a scientific method, whereas a fact is highly reliable and objective. Good and had have enumerated the functions of facts as they initiate theory, they modify existing theory, they redefine and clarify theory. From the basis of all knowledge and are responsible for the initiation of any theory or law. Whole process of scientific enterprise is continuously replaced by new facts and discoveries. Example: Venus is the planet nearest to the Earth, and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Theoretical knowledge: it is based on observed events and phenomena and formulate fundamental concepts, derive laws, principles, and generalizations. It is an abstract and portrays a hypothetical picture of the world. This is based on probability and it is not necessarily verifiable. It compromises of vocabulary, concepts, principles, theories, generalization, laws, and hypotheses. Vocabulary: the meaning of terms which are frequently used in scientific literature to complete understanding scientific thought. Example: light, heat, mass, volume, valency, current, etc. Definitions are important component of scientific terms. They serve the purpose of increasing one's capacity to communicate, eliminating ambiguity, clarifying meaning, explaining theoretically, influencing one's attitude. Concepts are regarded as a reduction of events to a recognizable configuration. According to Novak JD, concepts in science are broad generalization regarding some aspects of physical and biological world. They are composite of individual facts and emotional experiences. Vaidya N has listed the following phrases to define science concepts as an abstraction that organizes a large number of ideas into logical relationship, the resultant of generalization of mental operation, a generalization that relates the particular to general, an idea that includes all that is encompassed by a term, idea and comprehending the essential attributes of a class or logical species, network of inferences based on observations of variety of events in a variety of ways. It is a mental construct, a theoretical construct, a simplest pattern that helps us to put the world around in order. Characteristics of concepts. Concepts are generalized ideas. Concepts vary from simple to complex. Concepts are formed through varied experiences, including acquisition of actual knowledge. Concepts are facilitated by hearing through activity. Concepts may be incomplete. A concept is an abstraction to classify words, ideas, and feeling which have certain common qualities. A concept is a generalized idea suggested to the individual by symbol, object, or situation. Example: metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Concepts provide a medium for discussion and argument. Concepts form a major element in laws and theories. Concepts provide a framework for understanding. Concepts are not eternal and are liable to be changed, modified, or replaced on account of further experiences, researches, and innovations. Concepts are three types. They are conjective, disjunctive, and rational. In conjective concept, several dimensions must be present to define the concept. In disjunctive concept, involvement of several dimensions will be there, but any one of them by itself constitutes the instance of concept. Rational concepts involve a dimension which tells us a relationship between any facts or variables. Mathematical relation like equality or proportionality can explain rational concepts. A principle is a statement about the behavior of an aspect of nature which has been found to be invariable under the same condition. A principle is considered as a convenient classification of facts into statements. A fundamental truth that explains the relationship between two or more sets of variables. Principles are formed when generalization based on many direct observation and repeatable demonstrations are made. It is usually has some significant applications and illustration. Example: metals expand on heating, liquids evaporate on heating. Archimedes principle. Characteristics of principles. It is a statement of relationship. It is formed on the basis of reasoning. It has usually some significant applications. It is always a fact. It should be proved. It is illustrated. It is not a definition. It is the statement of relationship frequently caused in nature between two facts. Principles differ from concepts. They show the relationship between two or more concepts, objects, and events. Concepts are not principles, but principles may have concepts in them. Example: Bernoulli's principle, Archimedes' principle. Generalization is the formulation of general concepts from specific instances by abstracting common principles. It helps in deriving conclusions from scientific facts. Facts gives rise to concepts, and when facts and concepts are classified based on a scientific process, they give rise to generalization. The process of science through which generalization could be made are observation, classification, communication, prediction, and experimentation. Example: all metals gets expanded after heating. Properties of acids. The process of evaporation takes place on heating water. Syntactic structure. It is concerned with the modes of thinking and reasoning used in the discipline. It is meant the process of scientific inquiry. Process of science includes observation, measurement, drawing of inference, generation of hypotheses, prediction, and their experimental testing. Interpretation of empirical intuitive observation, making of mental model of scientific reality. It consists methods, process, and attitude. Methods include scientific method, empirical testing, controlled experiments, and inductive deductive reasoning. Process includes basic skills and integrated skills, whereas basic skills are observing, classifying, quantifying, measuring, using space-time relationships, communicating, predicting, and inferring, whereas integrated skills are defining, operationally, hypothesizing, interpreting data, controlling variables, and experimenting. Attitudes include skepticism, faith in the possibility of solving problems, desire for experimentation, precision, liking for new things, willingness to change opinions, humility, loyalty to truth, and more. According to syntactic structure, science can be expressed as a process of investigation, a way of thinking. In the case of a process of investigation, science is what scientists do. The basic things scientists try to describe phenomena in nature and establish relationships. In order to do that, scientists use scientific method. Scientists make explanations. After having described an event or phenomena, attempt to find out the reason or why such events and phenomena occur the way they do. Scientists make predictions. They use ideas of their own or of others as tools for testing and gaining knowledge. They use many resources to get valid answers to their questions and observations. They design their own experiments and invent new tools with which they observe and check different phenomena. In the case of science is a way of thinking, it involves the thinking process based on empirical basis, objectivity, assumptions, inductive deductive reasoning, and analytical and synthetic approach, cause and effect relationships. Please give a like to this video and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.